Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Rider Pro. Today we are taking a look at the all-new Hindustan Contessan 2026, a modern version of India's iconic luxury sedan. The new Contessa combines classic styling with modern technology and premium features. Classic design with a modern touch. The new Hindustan Contessa features a bold front grille, sleek LED headlamps, stylish alloy wheels, and a muscular body design. While it retains the charm of the original Contessa, it now looks more premium and futuristic than ever before. Premium interior. Inside the cabin, the Contessa offers a large touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, leather seats, automatic climate control, and a spacious interior. The focus is on comfort and luxury for both driver and passengers. Engine and performance. The new Contessa is expected to come with powerful petrol and hybrid engine options, improved suspension and modern driving. Technologies aim to provide a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Safety features. Safety has also been upgraded with multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, parking sensors, a reverse camera, and several advanced driver assistance features. Price and launch. The expected price of the new Hindustan Contessa could start from around Rs 15 lakh to Rs 20 lakh ex-showroom. Official details are still awaited, but the car has already created excitement among automobile enthusiasts. Conclusion. So friends, what do you think about the new Hindustan Contessa 2026? Can it bring back the glory of this legendary Indian sedan? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive updates.